Hello guys, in this video we will know about what is API, Application Programming Interface. Guys, have you ever think about online food ordering, airline ticket booking and other e-commerce websites? Do you know how these things work? Nowadays we are all use instant connectivity that puts the world at our fingertips. From desktops or devices we can purchase, we can pick anything anywhere. We're connected to the world with each other like never before. But how does it happen? How does data get from here to there? And how different devices and applications connect with each other to allow us to place an order, make a reservation, or book a flight with just a few types of things. And this is the system which connected the world is the Application Programming Interface or API. It's an engine under the hood and is behind the scenes that we take for granted. But it's what makes possible all the interactivity, and that is our API. But exactly what is an API? API is the messenger that takes requests and tells the system what you want to do and returns response back to you. For example, you are going to a restaurant and you are sitting at the table and you have a menu there to order from the kitchen. Kitchen is the part of the system which will prepare your order. But there is something missing. What it is? It's a link to communicate your order to the kitchen and deliver your food back to your table. That is what the waiter comes in. Waiter is the messenger that takes your request or order and tells the system or kitchen here what to do and then delivers the response back to you. And this is the layman terminology of API or Application Programming Interface. Now let us know about the real API example. One very good example we have is airline ticket booking. There are a number of third-party websites, for example Goibibo, Amazon, Google Flights, and so many are there. These companies nowadays have also joined these airline ticket bookings. Now what happens, all these companies can talk to different airlines like GoAir, Vistara, Indigo and other companies. These companies could see number of seats that are left or that are booked, and also my booked seats should be updated to their database systems so that no overlap can be happened. So that the seats I have booked from my company, for example I am Amazon, will not get booked from other companies like Google, Flipkart and other companies, because they are also connected with the same airline. That is why different system needs to talk to and fro with each other. For example, if I am a Amazon company and assume that you are a GoAir, would you say that, hey Amazon, that is my password and do whatever you want in my server? This don't happen, because me as an Amazon cannot trust the other company directly. If here, for example, I am an Amazon company, then I won't trust GoAir and GoAir won't trust me. But we try to communicate in such a way so that the trust remain maintained and work get done. As you can see in the figure, that on the left side of the figure you can see we have a customer interface here, and in between the customer and the airlines system there is a API, Application Programming Interface, in between them, and this is the interface here. We can send requests and this request will be sent through API and to the airline system responds back with these result booking details and through the API and filtered get back to the customer's interface. This is how it works, because we have to maintain privacy as well. We can't give access to the travel agency directly to the airline system, so that trust remains maintained and work get done is carried out by API. Now how can we define the term API or Application Programming Interface? So API is such a way that helps these systems to share their data or information indirectly, not directly, because companies also have to keep their privacy intact. For example, if you want to book a ticket from GoAir through Flipkart here is a travel agency and it can interact with GoAir, but not directly, but through the GoAir API. API is the interface that helps to get information from the GoAir system over the internet to book seats, and also responses back to your request to the Flipkart online, which then displays onto your screen. Now you understood that API is that make it possible for us to all use travel sites. The same applies for all interaction between application data and devices. They all have API that allow computers to operate them, and that's what ultimately creates connectivity. So whatever you think of an API, just think of it as your waiter running back and forth between application databases and devices to deliver data and create the connectivity that puts the world at our fingertips. And I hope if you find this video informative, please do subscribe, share and like this video. Thanks for watching.